Alright, today's video is going to be completely different. I'm on a mission to recover a downed drone at an ancient Indian ruin site. Sorry for the old man heavy breathing, but I'm an old man and this isn't easy. Anyway, my dad was flying his drone trying to check out this old Indian ruin on the side of cliffs, and he went down instead of up and crashed it. So I am out here walking these train tracks about 1.5 miles. Pretty interesting situation we have going here. So I'm on a mission to recover that drone. I have no idea if I can do it, but it's worth a try. So just so you don't have to hear me old man heavy breathing, I will pick back up when I find more interesting stuff, or I'm at the base where I have to start going up. I'll check back. Alright, coming up on a little bridge here. Ooh, scary. I think if it can hold a train, it can hold my fat ass. But you never know. Just gotta make sure I keep my feet in the right spot here. That was a little nerve-wracking. Wasn't much of a fall, but I got stuck. That would have made it worse. Alright, so that's where I came from. This is where I'm heading. And I'm going straight up there, hopefully. Sure you can't see it. I can't zoom with this camera. I'm gonna take a little rest here and then start my climb. Oh man, I don't know about this. All right, just below the ruins, halfway up, here's my view. Of all the dumb things I've done, this is probably the dumbest. Alright, here I am. Finally made it. Pretty cool. I don't know how old this thing would be. Sorry for the heavy breathing, but as I've mentioned many times, old, fat, out of shape. Somebody's camped in here. I still don't see a drone though, but they had a pretty good view. I'll keep looking for that drone. Let me go down here. I don't really want to step inside. My luck is somebody was already here and found the drone. This is a pretty hard place to get to, though. But he thought it crashed right in this bush, and I don't see anything. But that's pretty cool. But I don't see a drone. Guess I'll have to look a little harder on my way down. All right, we have drone. Looks like it's in pieces, but there it is. And right up there is the ruins. So it actually fell down quite a bit. So now I'm going to recover it and hopefully not break my neck getting the heck out of here. Okay, my camera's all dirty from I took a fall. So that's where we came from. Came more or less straight down, and for about 20 feet it was a free fall. I'm hurting. I'm going to wait till I get back to the Jeep to assess the damage to my knee, because I just got to keep moving. But I think that's where I'm going to end this. Successful-ish. Thanks for watching.